Welcome back, dear children. Let's continue our exercise. Exercise 6.5, page number 146. The second sum now. Give the graphical representation of 2x minus 11 is equals to 0 as an equation in one variable. Okay. When we say this as equation in one variable, we have to simply find the value of x. 2x is equals to 11, x is equals to 11 by 2, which will be equal to 5.5. Okay, so you have to draw a number line. This is graphical representation, no children. So draw a number line. We have 0. To the right of 0, we have positive numbers, and to the left of 0, we have negative numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are saying 5.5. So this is the point. So this is the point which is showing us 2x minus 11 is equals to 0. Okay, is that clear? Now the second part is in two variables. Okay, in two variables. This is also very simple, children. We have done it just now. 2x minus 11 is equals to 0. So we have to draw the Cartesian plane. This should be done in your graph book, children. Okay, you have to draw it. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it will be a line parallel to y-axis and passing through x is equals to 5.5, and the values of y can be taken as any three values on this line. Okay, you can simply write a table here, x and y. The value of x will be 5.5 throughout. Okay, children, and from this graph, from the graph that you will be drawing on the Cartesian plane, take any three different values of y. You can take it as y as 2, y as 4, and y as minus 3. Like this, you can write three solutions. I hope it is clear. Let us move on to the next sum, the third one. Solve the equation 3x plus 2 is equals to 8x minus 8 and represent the solution on the number line. It is very simple to represent it on the number line. They can ask in either ways, children. The procedure is the same. If they ask you to represent it on the number line, or if you ask it to represent as the graphical representation in one variable, then it is number line. If they say two variables, then you have to draw it in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so this can be written as 3x minus 8x is equals to minus 8 minus 2. 3x minus 8x is minus 5x, that is equals to minus 10. X is equals to minus 10 divided by minus 5. Minus minus gets striked out. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So x is equals to 2. You have to draw a number line. Mark 0. To the right positive numbers. To the left negative numbers. Okay. 1, 2. So x is equals to 2. This is what they asked us to show. And in the second part, they are asking us to show it on the Cartesian plane. Again, we have to draw the Cartesian plane in the graph book. Okay, children, you have to plot it in the graph book. We have x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have x is equals to 2. It will be a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 2 units from the origin to the right of the origin. Okay. So you can write the value of x here and y. X is 2 throughout and y can be any three values on this graph. Okay. I hope it is clear. So let us write y is equals to minus 4, y is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4. Is that clear, children? Okay. Please complete your graph books and send me the pictures. Thank you, children.